Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating your subject and blocking a background color that opposes it. This immediately creates visual tension. Once done, place your subject on a separate layer and test silhouettes at the final canvas ratio of 16:9 or 4:3 so you see real framing. Make sure to add a 50 to 70% overlay on the background to judge contrast early. This lets you adjust values before fine detail and prevents rework later. Now refine contrast with targeted tools. Open levels or curves and increase midtone separation to enhance readability. This sharpens form without crushing highlights or shadows. Next, apply local dodge and burn to emphasize edges and add color accents. Push saturation selectively by about 20% on focal elements so they pop. Then apply a subtle high pass or clarity layer to sharpen edges. This creates perceptual contrast. Finish by exporting and previewing the image at real thumbnail size so you can judge legibility. If elements merge, increase global contrast by about 10% or simplify the composition to reduce clutter. Once done, make sure to check both color and monochrome versions. If the color contrast fails, the monochrome will reveal value issues. If things still go wrong, rework layer masks to isolate subject edges and repeat localized dodge/burn. That targeted fix almost always restores clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.